Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. Yeah, we have this guy to work on. And this guy. I bet you can tell why we got to work on it. Yeah. Clean it up. So over here it gets very dusty, polleny, all that stuff, as you guys would expect. It's pretty normal, usual, just like any other place. But one thing I did use and design myself was these guys. 3D printer goodness. Designed them to go on the end of a vacuum, as you guys can see. Here's an angled outlet, and then there's a 90-degree outlet. So I figured that this would work on certain situations. This thing can go right in here, suck things out. I'm limited to the length because my printer doesn't print taller than that. So I can get about, let's say, about almost a third of the way into the radiator, which is great. I will share a link down in the description for where I posted these online. So you guys, if anybody has a 3D printer, if they want to print these out, they work pretty good. So I'm going to show that off here. Gonna do some general cleaning on this thing, just blow stuff out, just keep it nice and neat. Gonna change blades on this. And Rocks got pissed off at me. Yeah, so I'm gonna fix a little window there. Should be not that hard to fix, but you know, I'm gonna make it ghetto fabulous. So, all right, so blade change, fix, clean. Let's get to it. Alrighty, so I got a jack under here just for safety precautions, just in case anything happens. And I got naysayers in the comments, who knows. So this 18 millimeter. One. Two. Three. Okay, so this is underneath the deck here, about 75 hours. Got some nice little dingleberries there. Nothing major. The corrosion is at a minimum. Should be good. Spindles feel great. No slop there. Perfect. And you can see that little skylight there in the chute. All right, so let's go up and check everything out. Alrighty, so we got the blades off. This is a 54-inch Pro high capacity. Yeah. So we'll show you the wear after about 70-ish hours. Yeah, you guys can see that on the blade here, starting to round off a little bit, and it's just from hitting rocks and nothing big except for, what created the skylight. But yeah, so bam, good wear. These can be sharpened again, but I'm just going to replace them with new stuff. I will sharpen these later. Yeah, so let's just replace those and go from there. Alrighty, I like to use a little bit of fluid film, just a little dab of ya, just to prevent a little rust. Right in the hole there. And, do it so it drips on you. Because I'm always smart like that. Boom, boom, boom. Fluid film, good for the skin. Oh, so smooth. All right. Simple. Okay, so those suckers are hand tight. Yeah, we can do a little bit of alignment here. There might be an offset, who knows? I just do it like that. Seems to work okay. So a couple of ugga-duggas will do you. Good. All right, that concludes the blade change portion of this program. Okay, we're gonna go under here and look at some of the wear that we have here. I go close to the edge, no wear, bad wear there. I already checked the wheels. Hopefully you guys can see, low light goodness. But yeah, I mean, everything looks 100% A-okay after, 75-ish hours. Hydro gear transmissions, commercial, awesome. Yeah, I like that they have this little brace bar between the two hydrostatic motors here. So yeah, that keeps it nice and rigid. There's a little bit of grass filling up in here. It's just a little, little shelf. Everything's good, no leaks. Checked the hose earlier for abrasion, nothing there. These guys are good and tight. So is the drive gear. Everything's clean. There's fans up there. Lug tires, awesome tires. So everything is A-okay. There is no evidence of any bad ground, rock hitting or anything. But from the bottom here, you guys can see a little bit of my little frame thing there. So enjoy. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we got this thing pretty much taken care of. Just a blade change and once over. It needs just a little bit of a cleaning. It's not too bad. It's just a little dusty, a little schmutz here and there. So I might do that, might not. Check the air filter. Should do that right now, actually. Yeah, I'll just leave that off and vacuum it out a little bit. So, got a spider web over here. God, these crab spiders. Look up Hawaiian crab spiders. They're not from here, but they're, you'll see what I mean. And they are super tenacious. I don't know if you guys can see the spider web there. I just took it out with my hair, or what's left of it. Okay, yeah, so back to this. Just checking stuff out. You can see in here, see a coil pack in there, looking like it's doing pretty okay. Yeah, everything's clean. The fins are clean. That's good. The reason the carburetor is so dirty there is because I spray fluid film on the linkages. Fluid film all the things. But yeah, everything's looking good. 75-hour checkup there. Okay, so I got the first vacuum nozzle on here. We're going to start her up and go for it. I'm also going to do the engine a little bit because that's just how I do it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so now I got this wand and I'm going to spray from the inside out. So I'm going to go in front of the radiator, but behind everything else on the cooling pack, and you'll see how much comes out. Okay, so that is good for that side. Now I'm going to blow it back the other way. If the air compressor turns on, I'm sorry. But yeah, so I'm going to just go turn this thing around 180 degrees and go that way. I wish I could blow from the back out, but the fans and the radiator belts, or sorry, the radiator fan belts are there, it just can't do it. So I have to blow through. Ugh. Dusty. Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the filter after only about less than 20 hours. Not too bad, but still getting through. So we're gonna suck this sucker out. We're gonna suck out this guy. Let's stand up here. Look how clogged that is. That's just disgusting. Man, it sucks. I don't want that stuff to get through, but how does it? You know? Ay, 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 ay. No good way to clean it either. So, all right. Ooh, look at all the soapiness. Yeah, I made drip extensions. But yeah, so I cleaned everything. Sorry, I didn't take video of it, but cleaned everything with dish soap and then rinsed the heck out of it with water. It's about a half a gallon of water. So hopefully the condenser is, no wait, the evaporator is cleaned out now from all that stuff that got accumulated in there. So I vacuumed out most of it, and the rest that I couldn't get, I tried to wash out. It was very, very fine, so it pretty much turned to mud when it was done. So hopefully I don't have bubbles in the cab. All right, so I'm gonna put this thing back together. Just real quick, simple, easy. Of course, this thing is sitting in the sun, so it's burning my hands. Not bad, not bad. Okay, put it on that track, put it on that track. Resting position. Make sure everything is good and through. Everything is aligned. Pick it up, slide it down the rest of the way. Bam. 4 latches. I can't believe some of the tractors, this is bolted down rather than latched. Boom, boom. Don't forget your headlight harness. All right, and boom. That's how you put on the front. Real easy, quick and simple. The sides, real easy. So, 2 pins, little locking tab in the bottom. I'm gonna clean this. Just here to show you. Make sure this is straight out horizontal. Put the 2 pins in the back here. Bam, bam. Just locate the front here. Bam. Slide that in. Boom, and boom. There you go. All right. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes the project with this thing and the zero turn. So just a little bit of maintenance, a little bit of cleaning, and hopefully a lot of improvement. So I'm going to leave it there. Thanks for watching. Aloha. Please like, comment, subscribe. All right. See you on the next one.